Hello. I ordered some Furls Streamline from their mystery collection. I will put it over here. And you get to pick the size, but you don't get to pick the colors. And all the colors are discontinued, so that's kind of fun. You don't know what you're getting. And all the colors are, exclusive because they're discontinued, so that's kind of fun. So I got 3 of them. So I was ordering from Furls because I was trying to get their Odyssey hooks. But within like 5 minutes, they all sold out. So I didn't get any. But I decided since I was there and I had to buy a skein of yarn anyway, I thought I'd try their mystery hooks. So let's see. I think the options are the Streamline Swirl in Cream, Cookie, Cherry. And then there are 2 others. The coffee one, I don't know if that's a swirl. It might be. And then I think like Solar Flare or something like that. Anyway, let's find out what I got. So I've got 3 hooks here. And let's just go for it. So the boxes are really pretty if you've never seen them. Oh, sorry. They're really beautiful. I think Pam designs these from Furls. You know, if you ever get emails that says from Pam, I'm pretty sure she designs them, but don't quote me. But whoever designs them, they're stunning. I love the new packaging. So, ooh, it's a cherry, which to me reminds me of like a melted candy cane. Oh, let's take off the little safety precaution. Helps when shipping because this little tip is so thin, they want to protect it. So they put this really cool little cardboard cube on it to protect it in the box. I think that's really smart. Anyway, here it is. And there we go. So this one's pretty. This is a 4.5, and it's an old one. It's got the pretty filigree that I love. I'm so sad they got rid of this. See that beautiful little design around the G+? I love that. I'm so sad when they got rid of that. Yay! So I'm going to put it back in the box for now. Oop. I'm sorry, my neighbor has a really loud car, and yeah, sometimes you hear that, sorry. Next one. Cream, I know cream. I have a decent amount of cream in my collection. This is a new one, so you can see the, can you see it? Sort of, can you see the K? Right there. Can you see the K? Okay, so see how there's a larger letter and no filigree around the letter? That means it's newer. Plus it has the new head. However, these are discontinued, but it's interesting that they did update them before they discontinued them. So I don't think I've ever had one. Oh, sorry. I don't think I've ever had one though with like this much color in it. So normally mine are pretty translucent, but this has a lot of color in it. It's really gorgeous. Come on, here we go. And last one. Coffee! Yay! I love coffee. And filigree. Yay! Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, look. I gotta swirl this one for you. Look. Right? It looks like you put cream in coffee and what it does on its own before you even stir it. So beautiful. Oh, man. of the bunch at this time. So out of all three of these, this one's my favorite. But I think they're all absolutely gorgeous. Here, I'll take them out again. You can see them next to each other. So we got coffee and cream. Oh, there you go. You can see new versus old. Here. Can you see that? Maybe a little bit. I'm trying to get as close to the camera as possible. And then the red one, which I will use for Christmas. Look at that. What a fun collection. And they all have the really pointy heads. So that's fun. So yeah, I got some of the mystery hooks and I like them. If you want to know why I love furls so much, I will link the video down below. And you can also see my entire collection in that video if you keep watching it. The beginning is me talking about what I love about furls and how I discovered them. And then the end of the video is my entire collection of furls, minus the ones in this video, obviously. So thank you so much for joining me today for this really short video, but I wanted to unbox them with you guys, and there we go. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and so do crochet hooks. And spoonies can stitch it up too.